Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Shukalan Mistry. Today I will discuss 10 problems on abstract algebra that will be helpful for IIT JAM NET GATE examinations. Okay, so let's start. So first problem, the value of alpha for which the group G is cyclic under multiplication modulo 56. So here the elements of G are alpha 1, 3, 9, 19, 27. So we see that this element is 3 to the power 1, 9 can be expressed as 3 square, 27 can be expressed as 3 cube. So we assume that 3 is a generator. Okay, so 3 is a generator. So now a group G is said to be cyclic if every element of G can be expressed in the form a to the power n, where n belongs to Z. Clear? And A is called generator of the cyclic group, right? So elements of G can be expressed as 3 to the power 1, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 6, because there are 6 elements, so 3 square, so that means 3 square means 3 to the power 1 is 3 square 9, 3 cube 27, 3 to the power 4 81, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5, so that means that will be 243, 3 to the power 6, that is 729. So now it is given, this is the group under multiplication modulo 56. So 3, 9, 27. Now you have to divide 81 by 56. So that means that will be 56. So remainder will be 25, right? So 81 will be 25. Clear? So similar 243 কে তুমি 56 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করবে, রিমাইন্ডারটা পাবে হচ্ছে 19। 729কে তুমি 56 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করবে, রিমাইন্ডারটা পাবে হচ্ছে 1। সো দেখো এখানে, সো 3, 9, 27, 19, 1 সমস্ত এলিমেন্টগুলো পেয়ে গেছে জি এর। ক্লিয়ার? সো আলফার ভ্যালু কী হবে? সো আলফা ইজ দিস, দ্যাট ইজ দেয়ারফর আলফা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 25। ক্লিয়ার? Okay, so next problem. Which of the following group has a proper subgroup that is not cyclic? We know that Zm cross Zn is cyclic. This is cyclic if and only if GCD of M and N is 1. Clear? So here 15 and 77 are relatively prime, that means GCD 1, so this must be cyclic. So we know that every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic, so that will be cyclic. So every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic, so this is not true. Clear? Next, S3 subgroup কি হবে? A3 is a subgroup of S3, but A3 is cyclic. S3 non-cyclic, but A3 is cyclic because order of A3 is, because order of A3 will be factorial 3 by 2, that means 3, which is prime order. We know that every group of prime order is cyclic, so A3 must be cyclic. So S3 subgroup কি cyclic হলো? Cyclic হলো না, cyclic হলো। So বলছে which is not cyclic, so this is not true, this is not true, this is not true. So we know that Z is a cyclic group. Again, every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic, so every proper subgroup of a cyclic group must be cyclic, so this is cyclic. So option C is not true, because we have to find which is not cyclic. Next, So Q is true. So we know that Q is not cyclic group. Clear? So A, B, C are incorrect. So option D is correct. So next problem. Let un, this is very easy question. Let un be the set of all positive integers less than n and relatively prime to n. So this must be a cyclic group. We know that the number of elements of a cyclic group of order n is phi n, that is Euler's phi function. So that means, so you have to calculate phi 248. So this can be written as phi 8 into 31. We know that if m and n are relatively prime, then phi m is equal to phi m into phi n. So this can be written as phi 8 into phi 31. Also we know that phi p to the power k, so that will be p to the power k minus p to the power k minus 1, where p is a prime number. So this can be written as phi 2 cube into phi 31, that is Euler's phi function. So that will be 2 cube, apply this result, 2 cube minus 2 square and phi 31. Also if p is prime, phi p will be p minus 1. So phi 31 will be 30, that is 2 cube, that is 8 minus 4 into 30. So that is 4 into 30. So that will be 120. So option D is correct. So next problem. Consider Z4 as the additive group modulo 24. Then the number of elements of order D of order 8 in Z24. We know that if a group is cyclic group, then the order of D, then the order of the element in G is phi D, that is Euler's phi function. So here we have to calculate phi 8. So phi 8 means phi 2 cube. So phi 2 cube will be 2 cube minus 2 square, that is 8 minus 4, that will be 4. So option D is correct. Okay, the number of elements of order D in a cyclic group G of order n is Euler's phi function, that will be phi D, that is the result. Okay, so next problem. Let G be a non-abelian group. Let alpha belongs to G of order 4 and beta belongs to G of order 3. So আমি একটা non-abelian group consider করছি. So we know that group of matrix is non-abelian. Okay, because matrix multiplication is not commutative. ঠিক আছে? So let us consider 2 cross 2 matrix. Let us consider two elements. Alpha is equal to, suppose 0 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 0. This is alpha. So আমাকে এমন একটা এলিমেন্ট কনসিডার করতে হবে যার অর্ডার 4. দেখো তুমি এটা ক্যালকুলেশন করো, আলফা টু দি পাওয়ার 4 তুমি পাবে 1 0 0 1. ক্লিয়ার? So this implies, so order of alpha will be 4. Clear? Again we consider the elements beta order কি হবে, order 3, that is we consider 0 minus 1 1 minus 1. So if we multiply 3 times we get the identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So this implies order of B will be 3. So order of alpha is 4, order of beta is 3. So now calculate alpha beta. What is alpha beta? So alpha beta, that means you have to multiply alpha with beta. So we get 1 minus 1 0 1. Similarly alpha beta square. So alpha beta square you get 1 minus 2 0 1. Clear? So similarly, if we multiply 3 times, that is alpha beta cube is equal to 1 minus 3 0 1. So alpha beta to the power n will be 1 minus n 0 1. So order of alpha beta is not finite. So we have to find the order of the element alpha beta in G. So 6 12, this form need not be finite. So option D is correct. Okay. So next problem. Clear? Okay. So next problem. Which of the following is true? Zn is cyclic if and only if n is prime. দেখো এটা ট্রু হবে না, কারণ কি Zn is cyclic. ধরো সাপোজ Z4 that this is cyclic group, Z2 Z6 this is cyclic group. So 6 or 4 are not prime. So this is not true, this is false. Next, every proper subgroup of Zn is cyclic. So Zn is cyclic. We know that every subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. So every proper subgroup of a cyclic group is cyclic. So this is true. Clear? Next, every proper subgroup of S4 is cyclic. Suppose we consider A4 that is alternating group. A4 is a subgroup of S4. A4 is not cyclic. ঠিক আছে? So every proper subgroup of S4 is cyclic. This is not true. Next, every proper subgroup of a group is cyclic, then the group is, if every proper subgroup of a group is cyclic, যে সাবগ্রুপটা সাইক্লিক হয় তাহলে গ্রুপটা কি সাইক্লিক হবে? হবে না, কারণ দেখো ক্লেন্স 4 গ্রুপ, we know that Kleins 4 group is not cyclic, but all its proper subgroups are cyclic. এর সাবগ্রুপগুলো কি হবে? সাইক্লিক হবে, কিন্তু গ্রুপটা সাইক্লিক নয়। সো সাবগ্রুপটা সাইক্লিক হলে কি গ্রুপটা সাইক্লিক হচ্ছে? হচ্ছে না। সো দিস ইজ অলসো ফলস। ওকে, সো দ্যাট ইজ আ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট রেজাল্ট। Kleins 4 group is not cyclic, but every proper subgroup of Kleins 4 group is cyclic. So next example, suppose G is a cyclic group and sigma tau belongs to G are such that order of sigma is 12 and order of tau is 21. Then the order of the smallest group containing sigma and tau. Just you have to calculate the LCM of 12 and 21. So LCM of 12 and 21 will be 84. So option D is correct. Okay, that is order of sigma দেওয়া আছে 12 and order of tau is 21. So let the order of the smallest group containing sigma and tau is n. Suppose that means 12 must divide n and 21 must divide n. So we have to calculate 12 and 21 এর GCD ক্যালকুলেশন, সরি LCMটা ক্যালকুলেশন করে নাও। সো দ্যাট ইজ 21 আর 12 এর LCM হচ্ছে 84. সো অপশন D is correct. Okay, so next, the number of all subgroups of the group Z60 of integers modulo 60 is, দেখো একটা রেজাল্ট আছে, দ্যাট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট রেজাল্ট। দি নাম্বার অফ সাবগ্রুপস অফ এ সাইক্লিক গ্রুপ আর tau n. What is tau n? That is number of positive divisors. So positive divisors ক্যালকুলেশন কী করে করে তার একটা টেকনিক আছে। যে ধরো আমাকে 12 পজিটিভ ডিভিজার্সগুলো কী হবে? সো ফার্স্টে এটা প্রাইম ফ্যাক্টরাইজেশন করো, 4 into 3 দ্যাট মিন্স 2 স্কোয়ার ইন্টু 3, ঠিক আছে? সো 3 এর পাওয়ার কত? 1। এই পাওয়ারগুলোর সঙ্গে এখানে 2 এর পাওয়ার কত? 1, 3 এর পাওয়ার কত? 1, পাওয়ারগুলোর সঙ্গে 1 যোগ করে দাও, ঠিক আছে? সো দ্যাট মিন্স 2 + 1 3, 1 প্লাস দ্যাট ইজ 6। দেখো 12 6টা পজিটিভ ডিজিট পাবে, দ্যাট মিন্স 1 হবে, 2 হবে, 3 হবে, 4 হবে, 6 হবে, 1 2 3 4 6, 12 হবে, আর কি হচ্ছে 1 2 3 4 পজিটিভ ডিভিজার্স 12, এটা কোথাও ভুল করলাম, 2 হচ্ছে 2 স্কোয়ার 3 1 3 3 12 দেখো তাহলে কটা ডিজিট পাচ্ছি 6টা সো দেখো দিস ইজ দ্য শর্ট ট্রিক্স ওকে সো that is the very important result. The number of subgroups of a cyclic group are tau n. What is tau n? That is number of positive divisors n. That is ekhane we have to calculate tau 60. Okay, so tau 60, that means 60 can be written as 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. So 2 এর পাওয়ার, that means 2 এর পাওয়ার 2, ক্লিয়ার? সো 2 এর পাওয়ার হচ্ছে 2, এর সঙ্গে তুমি 1 যোগ করবে ইন্টু 1 এর পাওয়ার হচ্ছে 1, 3 এর পাওয়ার হচ্ছে 1, দ্যাট ইজ 1 এর সঙ্গে 1 যোগ করো ইন্টু 5 এর পাওয়ার হচ্ছে 1, 1 এর সঙ্গে 1 যোগ করো, দ্যাট ইজ 2 প্লাস 1 3, 2 2 4, that is 12. So the number of subgroups of the group Z60 will be 12. Okay, so next problem, that is very important problem. Let P be a prime number and G be the group all 2 cross 2 matrices over ZP with determinant 1. That means this is a special linear group with determinant 1. This is a special linear group. So we know that order of special linear group of n cross n matrix over ZP is P to the power n minus P minus 1 into P to the power n minus P dot dot P to the power n minus P to the power n minus 1 divided by P minus 1. This is the order of special linear group. Okay, so here we have to consider 2 cross 2 matrix. That means order of SL 2 comma ZP. So just you replace n by 2. So that is P square minus 1 P square minus P, clear, divided by P minus 1. So P square minus 1, that is P plus 1 into P minus 1, taking P common. So that will be, so P minus 1 cancel. So that is P into P plus 1 into P minus 1. So the order of G will be P into P minus 1 into P plus 1. Okay, so next problem, the number of generators in the additive group Z36 is equal to, so number of generators, that means Euler's phi function, that is number of generators in Zn is phi n. What is phi n? That is Euler's phi function. So we have to calculate phi 36. So that means phi 36 can be written as 2 square into 3 square, that means phi 2 square into phi 3 square, that is phi 2 square means 2 square minus 2, and phi 3 square means 3 square minus 3, 4 minus 2, that is 2, 9 minus 3, that is 6, that is 12. So option B is correct. ওকে, সো এই টাইপের আমি একটা হোমওয়ার্ক দিচ্ছি, সো তোমরা এই প্রবলেমটা করবে বাড়িতে। সো দি নাম্বার অফ এলিমেন্টস অফ অর্ডার 8 ইন এ সাইক্লিক গ্রুপ অফ অর্ডার 8 উইল বি 1 2 4 8. সো এটা অ্যান্সারটা কমেন্ট বক্সে জানাবে। ওকে, আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছি সবাই। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ভিডিওস। ওকে, বাই বাই।